Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
everybody. So it's already the end of the day. I am going to tell you about this monthly box, which is BoxyCharm. I haven't done a BoxyCharm video in a long time, so let's see. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. But this is the look I created using all my BoxyCharm stuff. Let's just talk about it. And then it's better with my glasses on because my glasses marks. Okay. So here we go. So remember the boxes are bigger now. Okay, so remember the boxes are bigger. Maybe I need it so it's more towards me. Okay, so the boxes are bigger because now it's different price, different sizes. So here we go. So this month is Breaking the Ice. You always get your card right here with your details. This is variation number 2, which you're gonna see right here in the corner. And it tells you all the prices and the products, and here are the goodies I got for the month of January. So many goodies, and like I said, I recreated a look using all these. So let's start. Oh, the sweater's choking me. Anyways, okay. So first off is a Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter, which this one retails for $36. The packaging is beautiful, of course. I actually have this one, so this one I'm gonna put aside and give it to my cousins or friend. Camera, why are you having trouble focusing? Come on. There you go. Look at how pretty. And that's the highlighter I have on myself. See? Pretty nice glow. It's kind of like more like glitter highlighter. It's like a ring box. So that one's retails for $36. And then next is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust. This is so pretty. And this one retails for $34.99. So that's the packaging, really pretty. And then those are the shades. These shades blend out really nice. Let me go. They actually blended out really nice. I liked them. This is the look I created. It's like the end of the day. I insert some clips before this video so you guys know how I looked. But all over my lid I put Sangria, which is this one right here. And then I blended it out with Lotus, which is come on, Lotus. And then my inner corner I did Aruba. Okay, I did this one crease to blend out, and then this one on the inner corner, which you can see it has a really nice glow, pigmented. So this one retails for $34.99. And then my Wonder Beauty Trip for 2, which is a bronzer highlighter, and I got Daiquiri and Tulum. These are really pretty. This retails for $36, and it's really pretty. So that's the blush and the bronzer, which I love. Look at that. And then actually not the last thing. Where is it? Oh, there it is. And then my Grande Drama mascara, which I love. I got this from them a while back, but since I got eyelash extensions, now I use it in my lower lash line and it pops out my eyes. But this one has Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. Of course, you're not gonna want to focus on me. So there we go. So look at the wand. It's really, actually I like this mascara. It's actually really good. And this one retails for $25. And the last thing, which I'm so excited. Actually, the Grande Cosmetics come to $25. And the Glow Recipe is $22. This is a Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which I'm going to try out tonight. And I'll add a clip. This one smells so good, just like watermelon. So that's a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's like a jelly. And I'm gonna actually try that tonight. So all these goodies retail for, so that's $153.99 total. All these for $25 a month. Like, you can't beat that. $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. I am going to take off all this makeup, and then I'm going to try this glow recipe with you guys, let you know how it feels and all that. But yes, thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this box. I love getting the boxes from you guys every month. And so yes, I just love BoxyCharm because you get to try different products that you know either too expensive to buy yourself, or you just don't like, not sure if you're gonna like it or not. And then you get to explore basically different brands that you never heard of. Like Ace Beauty, I barely noticed it with BoxyCharm when we got eyeshadows before. And there's other brands I never like. Glow Recipe, I've always wanted to try this but never picked up anything, but I'm so excited I get to try it now. And I mean, for $25 a month, you can't beat that. I love it. So don't forget to join BoxyCharm this month. It's your chance. Click the link, and then that's it. So I'll be right back with the sleepy mask on. I'm gonna try this Glow Recipe watermelon glow sleepy mask. My first time trying it out. So let's see. Okay. Oh, it's cold. A sleepy mask, so you wear it overnight and then you wash it off in the morning. Does have a strong smell of watermelon. I've been glowing in the morning. And there we go. So this is Radiant Petal Soft Skin. It's just a dream away. The Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and AHA to hydrate and smooth skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft results. This is to use as a sleepy mask. Apply as the final step of the evening routine. For drier skin types, add an additional layer if desired. Ooh, that's me. Pat gently until absorbed. Wash thoroughly in the morning. To use as you can also use it as a wash-off mask. Apply a thick layer to damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. So, since I have dry skin more on the drier side, I'm gonna apply even thicker layer, especially on my cheeks right here, as we're mostly dry. The smell does go away once it dries out. And there you go. That's the sleepy mask. See how glowy my skin looks. Okay, and that completes this BoxyCharm unboxing video for the month of January. So remember, links are down below to sign up. $25 a month, you get 5 full-size products for over $125 worth. And you guys saw all the goodies I got. Great way to try out different brands. Great way to extend your makeup collection if you're a new makeup collector junkie. But don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.